Hello, dear everyone. How are you all? Due to my sickness, I was unable to upload videos timely in my channel. I am really sorry for this. Now I am fine and present in front of you with my new video. Today's tutorial is going to be on watercolor landscape, and the video I have selected is the natural view of Bangladesh. The time when farmers cut their harvest and made a procedure until it turned into rice. So they are the real reason that we can get rice easily from market. So first of all, draw the figure and other subject. Also take yellow, yellow ochre, brown, green, yellow green, cobalt blue, blackish brown, and the blue green. Now apply the water all over the base and slowly apply cobalt blue. Also try to remove color from sky by using cloth or tissue. It will give your work white clouds look, and use blackish blue under those white clouds. To create blackish blue, just use black with blue. Now use green, yellow green and other color on ground side. Don't feel nervous when color will start to spread out. When you are done with your first wash, let it dry completely. Then start applying details like few drawing on figure with color, trees, light and shade on ground. You can see as per color layer the work appearing more beautiful and much details, and for details those background wash look far away and the figure subject coming out from background area. So when you do these kinds of work, just apply wash first, then go gradually with details. But don't try to apply details on all over, otherwise the whole work will lost its dimension. Okay, my dear, that's all for today. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.